Video 665 of the Atomic Ivy MMO. We're making a video game from complete scratch. We're making the rendering engine and the game. We're on Bombs for Josh 15 because we're currently working on a rendering engine for Josh so that he can work on game design. Source code is here. We're going to review all of these 665 deltas, anything with a 665 in the margins here. If you want a more longer, what the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, a longer video explaining this code is here at Ninja Coder. You're on the fast playlist, so you're on Kanji Coder. Let's fucking go before we run out of fucking time. I have to do this again. In data by system, in the ABOMB section, we have labeled these as binary pattern helpers, and the X is new. It stands for 1. And we're going to tag this as the switch of chaos is here to keep track of this. And we're going to make these tiles that represent void space and tile space. And they're going to be called everything and nothing. Everything and nothing tiles, because everythingness and nothingness are one and the same. So we have patterns 0 through 7 are Eve tiles. So for the everything tiles. And you can see there's kind of a pattern here where we're kind of like alternating and creating kind of a smaller and smaller dot, right, for these kind of Eve tiles. And then we get down all the way to Eve 8 here, and then once we get to Eve 8, we hit a tipping point where we're going to invert the patterns by switching the meaning of underscore and X, and then we're going to wind back up. We're going to go in the reverse order, and we're going to create these nothingness tiles. And the nothingness tiles is going to be used to render the space of the void space, and the everything tiles, the Eve tiles, are going to be used to render the tile space. So to like, if we want to render a graph paper grid, then we can use the first half of these tiles. If we want to render nothingness, we use the other half. And then we got to restore the meaning of underscore and X, a little state management right here. And then down here is what we did previously. And in our footnotes, we kind of have a diagram of kind of how the patterns are laid out, the kind of logic of those patterns. And then down here is what we did in this video. So we are out of time. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. We do not have time here. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry proximity mine bomb game from scratch. Like and subscribe.